In this question, we are required to make t the subject of the formula. So you can start by expanding the bracket. So if we expand this bracket, we'll have 5t minus 5g is equals to 2t plus 7. And then because you want to make t the subject of the formula, we can bring the t's to one side. So move this to this side, move that to that side. So you'll have 5t minus 2t will be equal to 5g plus 7. And then you factorize out t. Actually, you simplify this expression. So 5t minus 2t will be 3t. So 3t will be equal to 5g plus 7. And then just make t the subject by dividing both sides by 3. So t will be equal to 5g plus 7 over 3. Okay. Then number 21, make x the subject of the formula. We can start by multiplying both sides by 6x plus d. Or just multiply this. The opposite of dividing by 6x plus d is multiplying. So basically, you'll end up with y into 6x plus d will be equal to ax plus b. And then you expand the bracket, so ycx plus yd will be equal to ax plus b. And then we want to make x the subject, so bring this to the left, take that to the right. So ycx minus ax will be equal to b minus yd. Factorize out x, so x into x into yc minus a will be equal to b minus yd, and then divide both sides by yc minus a. So x will be equal to b minus yd over yc minus a. Okay. Next one, number 22. We are required to make x the subject. Now here the opposite of square rooting is squaring, or just square both sides to get rid of the square root sign. So you'll end up with y squared will be equal to 3x minus 2 over x plus 1. And then the opposite of dividing by x plus 1 is multiplying by x plus 1. So you'll end up with y squared into x plus 1 will be equal to 3x minus 2. And then you expand the bracket, as y squared x plus y squared will be 3x minus 2. Now, because you want to make x the subject, move this to the left and move that to the right. So y squared x minus 3x will be equal to negative 2 minus y squared. And then factorize out x. So x into y squared minus 3 is equals to minus 2 minus y squared. So x will be equal to negative 2 minus y squared divided by y squared minus 3.